Hey guys, welcome back to Drew Tutorial. If you're new here, special welcome. In this video, I'm going to show you how to restrict someone on TikTok. So if you want to limit someone's interaction with you on TikTok, so what you can do is open TikTok app. Next, tap the search icon in the top right corner of the screen to search for the user you want to restrict. So open their profile. So once you're on their profile, tap the share button in the top right corner. A menu will appear with several options. So at the bottom, tap block. So TikTok will ask you to confirm your choice and it will share information about what it is. Then tap block again to finish. So the person is now blocked, which means they won't be able to view your profile or interact with you through their account. It's also worth noting that TikTok doesn't currently have a specific feature called restrict like some other social media apps do. So if you want to completely limit someone's access to your account, blocking them is the closest option.
Quick one. If you're finding this tutorial helpful, my team and I publish simply and easy to understand step-by-step tutorial daily. And I'd really appreciate if you hit that subscribe button to support our channel and of course so that you'll never miss out when we release videos just like this one every single day. Now let's continue.
So the person won't receive notification telling them that you've unblocked them. And that's basically it. So that's how you can restrict someone on TikTok. Thanks for watching. See you in the next one.